And guys, there we go. That has been the Divi Classifieds course. I have really enjoyed working on this project with you guys, and I really hope that you enjoyed working on it with me. Now, for those of you that don't have Divi Machine Accounts or Divi Form Builder, it's not too late to upgrade to a membership so that you can take full advantage of Divi Machine and all the amazing websites you'll be able to build with this incredible tool. The purpose of this course was to show you just how versatile Divi can be when you're using it with the right tools, and Divi Machine is definitely not an exception. Even further extended by things like Divi Machine Accounts, where you can create those amazing account areas for your clients with custom endpoints, custom designs, all sorts of amazing features like wishlists and more. And Divi Form Builder is just such a treat to work with because you can create highly dynamic forms of any level of complexity that you want. Now, it is definitely our goal to create more content like this for you guys. So for the next courses, we'll be looking at body commerce and other tools that we have here at Divi Engine to help you maximize the value out of a Divi Engine membership, but also just out of your investment in a tool for your business, and just arm you with the skills so that you can go out and find those clients that might have seemed a little bit more intimidating to approach in the past. Now, also don't forget to download the included course materials as well as the layout pack so that you can start nice and ready in case you did not want to follow along all the way, or maybe you want to share it with a friend that has Divi Machine that hasn't followed the course. So definitely go ahead and utilize those resources. So guys, that's going to be it from me, Roby, with the Divi Engine team. I've really enjoyed working with you and definitely would appreciate a like or a review or a follow or anything about this course, and tell us what you thought and what we can do to make it better. We definitely aim to go ahead and create more modules for this course as Divi Machine evolves and we add more tools to this suite of amazingly powerful Divi tools. All right, guys, this has been Roby. It's been my pleasure. I'm going to catch you guys in the next course real soon. Bye for now.